everyone, welcome back to another Train Sim Race. I'm here with the oh my god. Can I ever record? Can I ever introduce anything properly? I mean, please, seriously. Alright, as I was saying, I'm Setney, I'm here on an A1X, and Yandra's over there in his little slow engine. CB's over there building whatever, and
slow
we have a third
engine.
person.
Actually, let me just correct. The 1973 stock can go to 62 miles an hour, but
The
the
Terriers
S
can go 60.
the S stock, which has been finished being rolled out onto the subsurface line, can actually go 120 miles per hour. Near mainline speed.
Can we start now?
Did you hear that, Parker?
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention though, so I wasn't really caring.
This is boring.
Wait, the S Parker can go 120 miles per hour.
This is not Train Sim Profile. This is Train Sim Racing.
Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1,
go.
charge! Going.
1973 stock.
I am not going. I am about to start.
I'm already at 20 miles per
Go,
hour.
Terrier, go, go. I'm just going 1 now. Go.
Yeah, I love the 73 stock.
Go, Fishboard, go!
I'm voting for anyone except Terrier over here.
Go, number 9, go, number 9.
We need,
No.
we need the kingdom himself all over in this.
Parker, okay, guys, I'm going to give you a bit of trivia. Again,
No.
when the
16.
Metropolitan line becomes ATO, automatic train operated, the mainline speed between Finchley Road and Wembley Park will be around 18 miles per hour. There you go.
It's 80 miles per hour?
80, yeah.
Damn,
Why
what are you?
80?
Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
But the S stocks themselves can actually go 120 miles per hour.
Why would you even do that on such a small little section of track?
It's not really small because the Jubilee line spots between Wembley Park and Finchley Road, but the Metropolitan line
just
just
said
goes
30.
straight. Just goes directly to Finchley Park, to Wembley Park, I mean.
I just nearly tried to eat a toothpick. I thought it was a chip.
Really?
Yes.
It's bad enough you cut yourself already with it multiple times.
I
Multiple
really
times.
do like the 72 stock though. I wish you guys could see this. It's very
If you-
I
nice.
am going 34 miles per hour.
If you want to see,
I'm going 50.
I'm about to hit 40. Are you passing Lake yet? I mean, your first
Lake.
station.
I said I'm going from Pierhead to Shanklin. I'm passing St. John's Road now.
I'm
what
about
are
to pass
you
the
guys
Lake.
even on?
I've hit 40! Go, Terrier, go,
Sorry,
go,
more
Terrier,
than-
go. Come on, come on,
But I
come on.
might be captured.
Bark,
you
bark,
guys
bark!
are on- Oh, you're on trains.
Ah, crap, I'm losing a lot of pressure. Shovel coal! You got shovel coal like your life means it.
What are you guys
Shovel
even
coal like no
doing?
tomorrow. Come on, open your firebox!
Shut up. Shut up. Now, what are you guys doing?
Hiss! Come on, come on, come on, Stephanie, come on. Come on, Fishborn, come on, come on, come on! I'm about to hit 50, 40 slot. I'm about to hit 50, 46, I mean.
I'm going to win before all of you get to the next station.
I'm
Lake!
enjoying this.
You're racing, CV.
Yes.
Yeah, he's
Oh.
usually on 14XX. But you weren't though, you said you weren't. You said you're gonna build Queen Park this one.
I know, but I can make every seed we can make life-changing thoughts.
I can't look at the chat, you know that, right?
This really does feel
Damn
like
it, damn it, damn it. I'm losing speed!
afraid.
Come on! Stop losing speed! Hurry,
Speed.
hurry, hurry!
The moped is very nice in this train. I can drive in the driver's seat.
There we go.
What's that?
It's a motorized train that Emily has, one of the Trackmaster ones. Alright, about
No,
to blow
I
some
have
sand down.
be modeled.
About to blow some
See,
sand down.
that's only in Playrail.
I hit 50 finally.
I'm going to beach.
Okay, I can't lie. I'm trying to stop at 50.
I hit Sandown. Who left the call?
Emily.
Oh,
Okay.
someone's on. Okay.
What? I can't hear anything.
Hurry,
Fuck
quick,
you
quick.
now.
I want to catch up with them.
Sand. Okay, got to send down. I can see braiding already.
Hurry. I want to drive the FEF. Wait, where are you starting?
Stand down or right pier head. And we're going from each end to the route.
Okay, I don't really care.
I'm about to hit braiding.
Well, I'm gonna find that route.
Come on. Jonesy, where are you?
I'm gonna
I'm
beach
1 mile away from grading.
Oh, I'm 1.30. This is gonna be close. I'm going 61.
What do you mean 1.30?
What? Yeah, 1
What
mile
do you mean
point 1 mile point 7.15
to where?
to braiding.
Oh,
I'm officially 1 mile from braiding now.
I'm 0.6.
Oh crap.
Just sound that whistle. Just let some twats know that we're passing through. Come on!
I don't think none of you are gonna win after this.
I have a short whistle.
Another whistle.
Because I'm going to drive the FEF.
Commentary, climb that hill, climb that hill, climb that hill. Show
gonna
you're
beat you.
powerful.
You're
I'm
not
about to
gonna
blow
get-
through braiding at. I'm about to blow through braiding at 61.
Oh shit. I'm going through grading right now
Oh.
at 49.
I'm rating.
I'm about to pass through braiding.
I'm like 0.10.
0.15. Come on,
I'm
come
3.75.
Okay, this is like at the
I'm
choke point.
3.5. I'm 3.5 miles away from Shanklin
I'm
now.
going into braiding. I'm 4.7. I'm 4.70. I'm 4.65
I'm gonna
from
win.
Spearhead. I must win. I'm going 60. I'm going through the 40 limit and outside braiding.
Ashu! Ashu! Ashu!
Good night.
I'm gonna win before all of you.
How many miles are you away from Pierhead or Braiding or Shanklin?
0.8.
I highly doubt that.
And what do you think I am?
Exactly the same miles as me. Which is 4 miles as of now. I'm 4 miles away, I'm going 55. I see Smallbrook.
It's not easy to see.
I really hope that we can drive the Air Stockholm Train Simulator. Any train simulator one day. But preferably Train Sim World.
Parker, do you remember in Beat My Wheelchair?
Oh god, I'm
Like,
slowing down.
Philip Frank says, it's not easy to look
45 now.
Yep. I'm about to hit 45 miles per hour because I'm slowing down because I'm going uphill. I see the top of the hill around Smallbrook. Come on, come on, come
Oh,
on.
0.2.
I'm nearing Sundown, or 0.3 away from it.
I'm like 1.13 from Smallbrook.
Okay, it's flattening out.
Alright, going downhill now. Oh, whoa, I'm picking up speed.
Okay, guys. Unpark the channel. The
Okay,
73 stop will hopefully operate on the island line data when it's replaced by the new tube for London. And I think Stagecoach have the licensing.
Okay, I'm about to hit 50 miles per hour and going through Smallbrook Junction.
We'll see a very nice livery of the trains themselves.
Okay, 52. 53.
I'm 1.1. I'm
55.
I'm 1.3 away from Shanklin now.
Oh, I'm gonna win. Wait, no,
How
I'm
far
not.
are you then?
I'm 2 miles away. I'm 2.40. Come on. I'm going 55. How fast are you going?
49.
I'll be going 104.
It's a tube train, you know, but if those are the S-Stock, you would get smoked.
I'm going 55. I'm going 57. Oh, going through Sandown. I'm in Smallbrook. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh god. Oh, whoa, that was dark. Where am I? Get in the cab. Okay. Oh, whoa. I'm about to hit, right St. John's Road. I see Pierhead in my map.
I'm 0.45 away from Shanklin. And another bit of trivia, the only reason why the S-Stock doesn't go up to 70 miles per hour right now is because the signaling is limited. Also, the S-Stock has software that limits the train to 62 miles per hour. If that was taken off, the train would definitely go to 120 miles per hour. Definitely.
Now, I hit St. John's Road.
I'm at Shanklin!
What? Oh, no. Come on. Hurry. Must be CB.
I'm suffering properly as well.
I'm not. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Stop!
Woo. Go. Now it's down to me and TB.
My doors. How do you feel, Parker?
I feel beaten by a complete and utter boring person.
Oh, are you mad? But how did it feel being beaten by a tube train?
I feel taller.
Eh?
I feel taller. Get
not
it?
if
'Cause
not-
tube
if
trains
not
are really
if I was using a D78,
Don't you get it? Because tube trains are small. Because tube trains are small.
Those okay, that's the deep level. I just use the Central Restock, which operates on the Piccadilly line. Okay, that's a deep level line. But the D stock operates on the district line.
I see right Pierhead! Come on!
So it is
Master, try braking!
a surface railway, so you wouldn't be talking about that, would ya?
Stop, Terrier, stop! Oh god, I'm not gonna stop in time. Bail! Ow. Oh god, that's the dead. Well, who was ever in that swirl in the ocean now? You know, the Pierhead actually used to have more than, you used to actually have two more platforms, right?
No, I actually did not know that.
Yeah, it actually did. And also, one of the platforms there are actually out of use.
Yeah, I know.
Well, see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye!
And